iPhone 7.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Become a Mermaid 101!
You're on your own.
Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a slime review. Getting out of the music, I hope you can. So, this is the slime I'm going to be reviewing today. I had no other video ideas since Sean is still running and stuff. So, this is all I had to do today. So, let's get started, shall we? This slime is really pretty. It's really stretchy. And it's really poppy. It's sparkly and cute. It's not.
It is my slime, FYI.
I don't have a video idea. Okay, so yeah, it really looks like mermaid slime, which a mermaid is my spirit animal.
Hey, no, I'm a mermaid. She's my spirit animal.
Yeah, so this slime is really great. Oh, I'm sorry, I took it out of the container. So, yeah, that's my slime review. I hope you all guys enjoyed my video. There will be another video later. It's going to be a vlog. So, hope you all have a
Subscribe to me.
Me too. You don't have any YouTube. You guys are faking. So, I hope you all have a wonderful day, squishy people. Bye.